Hello, Sudoku friends, welcome back. Welcome back with the puzzles in the additional, not in the Saturday edition of April the 1st, 2023. It's actually today Sunday, and Sunday we don't receive any newspaper, and in the Saturday edition there's no additional, no extra puzzles, so I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles of the Friday edition. March the 31st, 2023. We have here 3 puzzles left: the Letter Sudoku, the 2 stars Sudoku, and the Tectonic with 1 star. I've already solved 2 puzzles in the puzzle page, and this will be number 4. No, number 3, yes. But this will be number 6216. Alright. Before I start, I always count the printed, in this case, letters. Let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 27 printed letters. Those letters that I can use are unique letters: the A, the R, the M, the T, the U, the E, the W, the I, and the S. And the goal is to solve this word. In the first row, it's a Dutch word. After I've solved this word, I will translate this in English. Alright, so let's get started. By the way, for the letter Sudoku, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve that puzzle. Okay, we'll see if I can manage this. All right, so let's get started. Let me see. The I in this row, the I in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the I should be here or there. We see an I in this column, no I there. I should be there. All right. Okay. So, okay. Ah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is an I. We have I in this column, so no I in these 3 boxes. Here and I in this column, so no I in those 2 boxes. And we have an I in this row, so no I in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the I in this big square should be here. Alright. I cannot continue with I now. Need to wait. Need to wait. T, T, E, U, W. Thinking the M in this row, the M in the last row. So the row between, the only place left for the M should be there. M. Okay. E. Need an E here. 3 missing letters in the last column. One of the missing letters an E. We have an E in the third row, so no E there. We have an A in this row, so no E there. So the only place left for the E in the last column should be there. E, okay. So 2 missing letters in the last column. Those missing letters are the U is missing, and S is missing. U and S. We have a U in this row, so no U there. U should be here, and S goes there. 3 missing letters in this row. One of the missing letters is an A. We have A in this big square, so no A in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the A in this row should be there. So the T is missing here in this row, and W. T and a W. Okay. Three missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is a U. We have a U in this column, so no U in these two boxes. So one box left for the U in this big square. Should be there. T is missing in this big square, and E is missing. T and E. T and E. Well, cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those two boxes. So we have E in one of those two boxes in this column, E in the last column. So the column between, only two places left for the E should be here or there. You see an E in the middle row, no E there. E should be there. E in this row. E in the middle row, so the row above, the only two places left for the E should be here or there. We see an E in this column, no E there. E should be there. E in the first column, E in the second column, so the third column, the only three places left for the E should be here, here, or there. You see an E in the first row, no E there. Here an E in the third row, so no E there. So the only place left for the E in the third column should be there. E in this column, oh, wait. Cannot continue with E, but we need an E in one of those two boxes, okay. Alright. Another T. Need a T there. Oh, in this column. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing letters in this column. One of the missing letters is a T. Here can it be a T because we have T in this row, so no T there. Here can it be a T because... Oh, wait. Here can it be a T. Wait. Oh, here can it be a T because we have a T in one of those two boxes. In this big square, so no T there. So the T could be here or there. Here or there. You see another T in this row, so no T there. T should be there. Alright. TT, okay. 1, 2, 3. U is missing. U. W and the A. Here can be an A. Here can be an A. Okay, 3 missing letters in this column. One of the missing letters is an A. We have an A in this row, so no A there. Here can be an A because we have an A in this big square, so no A there. So the only place left for the A in this column should be there. So 2 missing letters now in this column for the letters. W is missing. And U is missing. W and a U. We have a W in this row, so no W there. The W should be here, and the U goes there. W. Yeah, 3 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is the letter A. We have A in this column, so no A there. Here an A in this row, so no A there. So the only place left for the A in this big square should be there. 2 missing letters in this big square for letters W, and the S is missing. W and S. We have a S in the middle row, so no S there. S should be here, and a W should be there. So we have a W in the first row, W in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the W should be here or there. We see a W in this column, no W there. W should be here. Alright. So we have a M in the last column, M in the column next. So that column, the only place left for the M should be there. 3 missing letters now. One of the missing letter in the first row is the letter A. We have A in this middle column, so no A there. Here can be an A because we have A in the third column, so no A there. So the only place left for the A should be there. So 2 missing letters now in this row. For letters S is missing and a U is missing. S and a U, S and a U. We have a U in this column, so no U there. U should be here and the S goes there. And we solved this in 9 minutes. Wow, that's very quick. 9 minutes 35. The word is wasruimte. Wasruimte. If you translate this, it will be the laundry room. Laundry room. Alright, let me continue. I'm not finished. Okay. Then. Let me see. So no R here. R should be here. Yeah. Well, we have here 4 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is the R. We have R in this row, so no R in these two boxes. So the R could be here, could be there. 3 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is the R. We have an R in one of those two boxes in this column, so no R in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the R, should be there. So 2 missing letters now in this big square for the letters. E is missing, yeah, the E is missing, and S is missing. E and S. We have S in this row, no S there. S should be here, and the E goes there. T and E, we have an E now in the last row, so no E there. E should be here, and the T goes there. So 1 missing letter in the last row for the letter. R is missing. Yeah. Wow. 3 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is the U. We have a U in this third row. No U in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the U in this big square. Should be there. 2 missing letters now in this big square for letters. R is missing and the M is missing. R and M. We have R in the first column. No R there. R should be here and the M goes there. Okay. M in the first column. M in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the M should be here or there. We see an M in the middle row. No M there. M should be there. So we have here 2 missing letters in this big square for letters. R is missing. And S is missing. R and S. We have R in the third row. No R there. R should be here and S goes there. S in this row. S in the first row. So the row between the second row. The only 2 places left for S should be here or there. We see an S in this column. No S there. S should be there. 3 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is M. We have M in this third row, so no M in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the M in this big square. Should be there. So 2 missing letters now in this big square for letters. T is missing, and A is missing. T and A. We have A in this column, so no A there. A should be here, and the T goes there. W and a T. In these 2 boxes, we have a T in this middle column, so no T there. T should be here, and the W goes there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is W. We have a W in the first column, so no W in these 3 boxes. We have a W in the middle row, so no W in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the W in this big square. Should be there. W in this row. W in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places left for the W should be here or there. You see a W in the middle column, so no W there. W should be here. Alright. 2 missing letters in this row for letters. U is missing, and M is missing. U and M. We have an M in the first column, so no M there. M should be here, and the U goes there. So we have a U in this row, U in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the U should be there. And I've eliminated the R, so the R goes there. 1 box left in this row for the letter S, I believe. Yeah, S, yes. So we have the R in the first column, R in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the R should be there. One box left in the second column for the letter. A T is missing, I believe. Yeah, the T is missing. So we have a T in the first column, T in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the T should be there. One box left in this big square for the letter I. Two missing letters. The final two letters, final letters in this big square for letters I is missing, and the A is missing. I and A, I and A. We have an I in the first column, no I there. I should be here, and the A goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Wow, 15 minutes. Told you. Need 15 to 20 minutes to solve a letter Sudoku. And we solve it again. We solve it again. And the word is a laundry room. Wasruimte. Alright. Not a difficult one to solve, this one. But we solve it again, and I like this one. So we're gonna do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second puzzle, a 2-star Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.